Today we are performing a experiment, that is nodal slide experiment. Objective of the nodal slide experiment is to determine the focal length combination of two lenses separated by a distance with the help of nodal slide, and to verify the formula 1 upon f equal to 1 upon f1 plus 1 upon f2 minus x upon f1 f2, where f is the focal length of combination, f1 and f2 is the focal length of given lenses. We have two convex lens like this. Okay, so here is this apparatus. This is source of light. This is cross slit. This is nodal upright in which we put the lenses, and here this is a mirror, plane mirror, reflecting mirror. So now we start how we perform this experiment. So first we have to calculate f1 and f2 by this observation table. This observation table is for lens L1, this observation for lens L2. So I take a reading for lens L1, and similarly we will take the reading for L2. So first we have to reading for position of cross slit and position of lens. The difference between these two are focal length. How? When light passes through cross slit and lens, and then after passing through lens it becomes parallel beam, and from reflecting from mirror it becomes light comes from the infinity, and we focus these light on the cross slit. We have 4 parts in cross slit. We form an image any of 4 parts. Okay, so now I perform this experiment. You have to move these and image here, cross image this, and we note the distance reading here, the distance between these two are focal length. We can move any of these two, but we try to fix line source and move only cross slit and lens. Here a scale which are in millimeter, here this is scale which are in centimeter. So we can note down the reading from here, like this is 26. We note down reading here. This reading is 44.4. So difference between these two are focal length of lens N1. Same we take another reading by shifting these. Okay, we note down second reading from here. This is value 25, 26, 27, 27.5, and here 45, 46, 47. This is 47. And we note the reading, position of cross slit, position of lens. The difference between these two are focal length f1. Similarly, we do this experiment by changing this lens. Okay, now for combination of lens, we put here 2 lenses, and from this scale 0, दोनों लेंस, the distance between these two lenses are 40 mm. Now similar experiment is done as we do for single lens. In observation table we have to note down distance between two lenses. We can change the value, the distance between two lenses. Position of cross slit, this value, position of this, position of nodal upright, the value of lenses from here, and the distance between these two are focal length f, capital F. So we form same cross image here by very cross slit and lenses. We can vary lens or cross slit, which would you like. Now you can see a clear image here, cross image. You form this cross image any of side and note down the value of cross slit from here and the nodal upright from here. This value is 25, 26, 26.5, and the value of this is 35, 36, 37, 37.8. Okay, so the distance between these two are the focal length of combined lenses. Similarly, you can separate this distance. You move far or near these two lenses and calculate other focal lenses or other values of combined lenses. You calculate these focal lengths by this apparatus, or we can say it is observed value. Calculated f, we calculated f by this formula, 1 upon f equal to 1 upon f1 plus 1 upon f2 minus x upon f1 f2. f1 we calculate in previous observation table here. f2 is also calculated in previous observation table by making a forming a image using single lens, and x is the distance between two lenses which we use here. Like in first observation table we use 4 centimeters, so x is 4 centimeter, and you calculate capital F from this formula and put the value of f in here. The difference between two is your error, because this formula is already verified, so your calculated value and observed value is almost equal or almost same.